Hello and welcome back. My name is Mohammed Dwade and this is Motionology. In this very cool tutorial, we will do this kind of manipulation effect using just two photos, this one and this one, which you can find a link in the description to these photos in case you want to do the same thing. Of course, these photos are free and you can use them. The technique of this effect is very easy, very straightforward. First thing that we're going to do is just bring this background, and then we will cut out that elephant from the original background and then bring it in here, and then we will add some shadows, some reflection for that elephant on the street, and then we will do some color correction for the elephant so it matches the background. So we're going to add some curves, some hue and saturation, and some channel mixer, and we will do some level adjustment just to even things, and then we will add this really cool layer with just some really deep gray color on it just to even things out. It's going to be very easy to do, so let's just have fun with it. So that was it for this really cool tutorial. Of course, this layer, we just added this lighten kind of blending mode to it so it matches the background, and I think it's pretty cool. And this curves, we just darken things a bit and then just add this gradient to the whole thing just to make this lower part of this elephant a little bit darker than the upper part, because this upper part is going to be affected by the light from above. And then this hue and saturation, we just desaturated the photo of the elephant a bit, and then in the channel mixer we adjusted this red and green and blue values just the way that you are seeing them, and then in the levels we just adjusted the levels to even things out. And this is basically what we did. The last thing before we wrap up this video is we're going to add some really cool vignette effect. So let's just hit Control Shift Alt E to merge all of these things into one layer, and then we will go to Filter, Lens Correction, Custom, and this is the two options for vignette. So let's just bring these down a bit to add this really cool vignette effect, and let's just hit OK. All right, so this is without the vignette effect, and this is with. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and maybe hit that like button. And if you like it, share it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.